Yeah man peeps, so guess what? Tonight Papa and Dav go do a little wrestling because from where there, Dav claims say him stronger than Papy and Papy they claims him stronger than Dav. So tonight we go prove who stronger than who. Yeah man peeps, so just watch what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna go. Come out and wait. After 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a thief. Papy a thief, peeps. Papy a thief.
Why not?
No thief in Papy. 1, 2, 3. Ah, top winner one. That is the winner. You would have won it 2 times. You would have won it 2 times. Back to my channel, and you know this is your girl Kelly, man peeps. So today I will be cooking some steamed fish with coconut spaghetti and coconut sweet potato. Yeah peeps, that's what's going on today. So just come over here and take a look at what I got. Yeah man peeps, as you can see, the fish already seasoned up already peeps. It's well marinated people. Can look at it peep, yes. Well marinated people. Yeah man. As you can see peeps, we have my spaghetti them. Yeah man peeps, me also gonna do some coconut crushed banana as well peeps. Yeah, that's what's going on today. And you can see me have my natural seasoning. Then you can see me have my string bean, carrot, my hot pepper, my onion, my tomato, chocho, and my Irish scallion and thyme, and I have my coconut. Yeah man peeps, so that is what's going on today, and my sweet potato peeps. Yeah man, so that is what I'm gonna do today peeps. So Dav will go along right now and ox out the coconut and get it blend and get it blended to deal with the coconut spaghetti and the sweet potato and the banana peeps. Yeah man, in the meantime I go ahead and get the natural seasoning, them clean up and cut up peeps. So just stay tuned and just watch what they go on. Any
Peeps, so you know what right now, I do the coconut, I do the sweet potato and the spaghetti peeps. Yeah man, this one I got bad, like a spice peeps. Peeps, remember to check out my channel, you know. Night life adventure. That's my peeps.
Yeah man peeps.
I know what I say. We never waste water though. That's my peeps. That's what's going on peeps right now. Now some more peeps. Man, I got that going right now. So right now peeps, I'm done doing this. Set down the sweet potato pot peeps. Just stay up and watch all going.
peeps, as you can see me I get the natural seasoning them clean up enough. And as me say some steamed fish tonight people. Yeah man, I love the peeps. Some steamed fish tonight with coconut crushed sweet potato, coconut crush, green banana peeps, and some coconut spaghetti. You know they are dealing with tonight in the kitchen peeps. And you know, so when I see Kelly in the kitchen, you don't know what they're going. Any? Yeah, man, they still love the people.
When you sit down with the blender, you don't know what I want to. I like. Right now, I know so I have a belly coconut. I like peeps.
Yeah, man, peeps, all of you remember, I know peeps. Bless up. All of my subscribers, them and my viewers, them, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. And if you remember to subscribe, you know, people, like up the video, you know, peeps, and share it up, peeps. Yeah, man. You know what I mean, peeps? And peeps, Dav and Papy have a channel, you know, peeps. You want to go over there and support him, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. His channel name is Nightlife Adventure. Yeah, man, peeps. I'm going to leave in the description. Yeah, man, and just go over there and just support them. Yeah, man, peeps, so just stay up and continue watching me go on, peeps.
Yeah, man, peeps. So you know, so right now, I get the coconut blend out. That's my peeps. So just stay up and watch what I go on. Any.
Yeah, man, peeps, as you can see, finish get the natural seasoning in the wash. Yeah, man, peeps, so I get it cut up. Yeah, man, I love the peeps. And as you can see, peeps, I go cook some vegetable alongside. Yeah, man. That's what's going on today, peeps. Man, I love the peeps. As you can know, a rainy time peeps. So I cook it in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man, peeps. Peeps, I'm still getting the natural seasoning them cut up.
Come on, man, peeps.
Meanwhile, Dav over there go I get the coconut strain. Yeah, man, peeps, as you can see, we finish cut up the natural seasoning them. Yeah, man, this is it, peeps. Yeah, man, that's what's going on. Real me peeps. I wanna go nice, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. I wanna go nice like a spice.
Peeps. So you know, it's right now. Now we sit down and fight. That's my peeps. Peeps. I tell you, peeps. Tell something to come and try, you know, peeps. It's bad peeps. The sweet potato. Cooking in a coconut. Oh, peeps, the bad peeps. Especially spaghetti, you know, peeps.
Yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, me I get the stove light. set on the pot. I'm going to steam the fish them in a peeps. Yeah man peeps, so as you can see peeps, we have the sweet potato them. I get them wash off first peeps. And them have on some soil on them peeps. Yeah man, they have on some dirt on them peeps. So I get them wash off and then we peel them and wash them again peeps. Yeah man peeps, that's what's going on in Kelly kitchen today. Yeah man peeps. Peeps, when you cook down this in a coconut water in a peeps. In a coconut juice in a peeps. Bad peeps. Yeah man. So some of that me they do today in my lovely people. Yeah man. Remember, I know peeps, if you don't need to go on an adventure, you don't want to go cook out of the riverside or cook out of the seaside, so just link up Kelly. Yeah, man. So we just continue to stay up and watch how they go on peeps. Any?
Right now, peeps, I'm going to put in coconut peeps. Yeah,
Coconut juice.
Coconut juice peeps.
Yeah man peeps, make it in some oil to fry up the natural seasoning.
Ah, peeps don't like it, I know what peeps. Then what you have to do now, peeps.
Let us continue to stay up and watch how they go on, my lovely people. Yeah man peeps, as you can see me getting the natural seasoning. Yeah man peeps, so actually when I do peeps, I get the natural seasoning fry out before I put in the fish. Yeah man, I fry out the natural seasoning a little bit and then I put in the fish then peeps. Yeah man peeps, that's how we do it in Kelly kitchen. You know, everybody do them things in a different way, but that is how I do it. Them do it in a Kelly kitchen. I'm on the lovely peep. Come take a look at it, my peep. Yeah, man, peep. This is it. Yeah, man, peep. Let's get it fry out a little and then we put in the kitchen. Yeah, man. So let us continue to stay tuned and watch how it goes, lovely people. Yeah man, peeps, as you can see, I get the sweet potato peel. But guess what peeps, them chip me no people. Yeah man, them chip Kelly no peeps. Guess what them do me now peeps. And the peel of sweet potato don't want enough peeps, and guess what, them tell me the white one them people. And they don't know the peel of sweet potato is the best. Yeah man, and them tell me say the yellow one in a piece and see they come over and peel you know and the white one piece up. Yeah man, so them chip me peeps. But you gonna eat good same way in a peeps. Yeah man. But no, we just choose the yellow one, eat the best. Watch here. Watch your peeps. All them something here, not even good. Man peeps, so that's a one in a peeps in a telefish in a peeps. One steam fish in a peeps. Coconut, sweet potato, coconut, banana, crushed banana peeps. And then don't know coconut spaghetti. Has to be on the menu of course peeps. Man, I love the feet, so I'm just continue to stay up and just watch what I'm going to man peeps, and we can see getting some water now peeps. Yeah man peeps, so as soon as we get it boil a little, as soon as it boil up then we just put in the fish them. Alright peeps. Get in the sweet potato now in the coconut water. Yeah.
Shoot them.
Yeah. Come on peeps. Come on peeps, and as you can see, Dav give it the banana them in the meantime.
Yeah man peeps. That's a one, isn't it? Yeah man peeps, you know so right now. I get in the banana them now peeps. That is it, isn't it? Just stay up and watch what I'm going. Any?
Yeah man peeps, as you can see, the sweet potato and the banana put them so lovely in the coconut juice. Yeah man peeps, show the people them what they go on now. Yeah man peeps, yeah man peeps, place them a cook them nice. Yeah man peeps, that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead now people and put in the fish them and now peeps. Come on peeps. Getting the fish them people. Peeps, that's what's going on today peeps. The one that go nice. Man peeps, I wanna go nice man people. Yeah man. Man peeps, so just continue stay tuned up peeps. Continue stay up and just watch what I go on in a Kelly kitchen, big man thing. Man peeps, that's them almost done cook peeps. Just a cook it just a little bit more. Make it cook a little bit more peeps and then we take them out and set on the spaghetti. Man peeps. I want to tell you that I want to go to peeps. I want to go nice. Real man. Yeah man peeps, and the fish them are steamed done nice. Yeah man peeps, when that done, I'm going to see how it looks so nice when it done peeps. Yeah man peeps. So here I'm going to do right now peeps. I'm going to get the vegetable set on right now peeps. So I'm going to stay up and watch what they go on. Yeah man peeps. As you can see, I set on the vegetable. I'm getting some coconut juice. I steam it down with some coconut juice peeps. That is it. Yeah man, I already clean it up and wash it. Yeah man people. So now getting some powder seasoning in here peeps. man peeps. And this are broccoli, cauliflower and carrot people. Yeah man. So that I go on to the peeps, so we just continue to stay up and watch how they go on the peeps. And I get in a piece of butter in the fish pot in the peeps. Yeah man. So we just continue to stay up and watch how they go on peeps. Yeah man peeps, as you can see me I go ahead and take out the sweet potato. Yeah man people. Yeah man peeps, that is it, so I'm going to go ahead and get out the banana as well. Yeah man peeps, so Dav passed the coconut juice. So I go ahead now and getting back some more coconut juice in there to cook the spaghetti. Yeah man, and pass the natural seasoning. Yeah man peeps, and I'm getting some natural seasoning. I also go getting some powder seasoning peeps. Dav cut in here. Yeah man peeps, so that I go on people. Yeah man peeps, Kelly always they sweat peeps. That's why I sweat very hard. Yeah man peeps, so I'm getting some powder seasoning. Yeah man peeps, you have to season up the pot enough peeps today. For this coconut spaghetti you can eat good enough peeps. Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so I'm going to make it boil up peeps and then I put in the spaghetti. So we just continue to stay tuned and watch how they go on the Kelly kitchen. Any?
Yeah man peeps. You know it's alright now. I crush out the sweet potato and get in the green peas. That's my peeps. Yeah man, that's a one.
What should I put this on? Sweet pepper around?
Peeps. Get this yellow peeps. Get this yellow pepper and buy a sweet. I'm a peeps. A sweet pepper.
Have you buy them?
Peeps. You want to go on a sweet pepper, the pepper. Yes.
What's it?
I was here
when you were buying them. Huh? I was not here when you were buying them, Dav.
I don't know buy them. Like, I'm buy them. Please, Papi buy sweet pepper instead of pepper.
Get in the green, you know. Mind your kids drop off, you know.
Two times.
Alright, peeps. I'm making the spaghetti now. Come on, peeps. Getting in the spaghetti. Come on, peeps. They said I want to go nice, like a spice. Come on, peeps. You don't know Kelly coconut spaghetti. Bad, peeps, bad. And well seasoned up, you know, peeps. Peeps, Kelly spaghetti, well seasoned up, you know, peeps. Come on, peeps. This is it. Come on, see it, peeps. Yeah. Come on, peeps. We just continuous look what going on the fish to the peeps. Come on, peeps. This is it. We just continuous stay up and watch how they go on the peeps. Yeah, man. So we go ahead and get the banana crushing up, peeps. Yeah. As you can see, I've already crushed out the sweet potato. So I'm going to go ahead and get the banana crush, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps, so just continue to stay up and watch how they go on, my lovely people. Any? Yeah, man, I still get the crushed, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps, as you can see, we finished cooking our peeps. So take a look. Yeah, man, peeps, this is the crushed banana and the crushed sweet potato with green bean. And you don't know the coconut spaghetti, yeah, and the vegetable, yeah, man, peeps, and the steamed fish. Yeah, man, peeps, that is it, peeps. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and start sharing out dinner. Yeah, man, peeps. So I'm just continuously watch what's going on in a Kelly kitchen, people. Yeah, man, peeps. Come on, peeps. As you can see, peeps. Still I share out the food, people. Come on. That is it. Yeah, man, peeps, that's what's going on in Kelly kitchen, peeps. So let us continue stay up and watch when they go on, peeps. Any. Yeah, man, peeps. I said I wanna go nice. Lovely people. Wanna go nice, peeps. Man, peeps, so I just continue to stay up and watch what I'm going on my lovely people. Yeah, man, peeps. So we go ahead and eat our dinner now, peeps. Yeah, man, but we go say grace first. I don't know we have to say our prayer first. So, Papi go say prayer to the peeps. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you, King Jesus, for his son, me, amen.
Amen. We can't wait to dig in, people, so I have to say it as fast as ever.
Sweet potato bad peeps. Peeps. Sweet potato with sweet potato over here, son of peeps. Come on, peeps. But that's all this peeps, especially spaghetti peeps. Come on, man, peeps. All the skinfish peeps. Bad peeps, not no like peeps.
Peeps, what I tell us that peeps? I tell us that I want to wake up bad, not true peeps. I've been telling you, peeps, but telling us that I want to wake up nice peeps. All the fish peeps, the fish well spicy and steamed on good peeps. Put them on peeps. Nice peeps. And I don't know people. The coconut spaghetti. The coconut spaghetti is a boss.
Come on, peeps. Spicy, don't you look aside bed to man Kelly.
Yeah, man, peeps, I don't know. I have my little side vegetable, broccoli and cauliflower. Yeah, man. Bad peeps. I don't know. I cook it on the coconut juice, so it's bad.
Eat good too.
So peeps, gonna make it to the end of the video now, peeps. So remember, peeps, to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, peeps, Dav and Papy have them channel. Remember to go over there and support them, peeps. Nightlife Adventure, peeps. Support them, peeps, their channel, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. That is it, peeps. Hey.